All right. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's see what I have. Oh my gosh. It's a lot of stuff in here. Can you see all this? What? What? Look at all of these seeds. Okay, hold on. I wasn't expecting all of that. Doggone it. I'm messing up my eyeliner. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. I thought you were going to send me like 2. Look at all of this. Oh my. Oh. Okay. First, we have some calendula. Excuse me if I'm getting the names wrong. Orange calendula. What? It's a lot of seeds in here. Echinacea. Yes. Okay, come on. Apothecary. Catnip. Yes. Sunflowers. I wanted to try flowers this season. Yes. Sunflowers. Okay, which one is this? Zinnias? Oh, I've heard great things about zinnias. Y'all, my heart is so full. Yeah. Broccoli. This is what I wanted. I needed some broccoli seeds. Look at that. We got broccoli, y'all. Whoa. Oh, this is beautiful. More flowers. This is Black Beauty Poppy. Huh. Absolutely beautiful. Aren't those going to be gorgeous?